Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a box of 1415 SPX. Here's our time, 21:31. That's good old Nova Scotia time. And here's our list of winners and their respective teams. I want to thank everyone for jumping in and grabbing teams. Dan, you grabbed a bunch tonight. Appreciate it. Thank you. There's the break number 232. Serial number ending in 8956. No, that's wrong. Ending in 9576. And here's our box. And I don't know if I can get that in there. No, there we go. 9576. There she be. So we'll get right into that. We're also live on Breakers TV tonight. Not sure if I have sound on there or not. And it's Breakers TV / Bruce's Box Breaks. It works so for me with my internet. It sucks for sure. Empty box. Alrighty then. Let's get right to it. Good luck, everybody. We'll start off with, for the St. Louis Blues, we got Ty Ratty, and that's Bjorn MCD. Ty Ratty. And a couple base. Max Pacioretty. And for Tampa Bay Lightning and Turbo Plumber 65, we got 63 out of 99. Rookie inaugural materials patch. Jonathan Drouin. Very nice. And see that stinking patch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Very nice, very nice. Congratulations, Dan. Pittsburgh Penguins. Bjorn MCD. Got Sidney Crosby. Die cut. Wednesday night, I've got a box of 1314 SP game used, I guess, up. And other than that, I've got Friday night and Saturday night doing cases of the Full Force. And I'll probably have some Black Diamond somewhere along the line in there. We got Peter Granberg for Toronto, SPX rookies. So hopefully you can join in and get a shot at that. Seth Hegelson For the New Jersey Devils, that's going out to Fred 0782. Hiya, Fred. For Terrio, rookie inaugural materials, Joey Hishon. Going out to Colorado. For the Montreal Canadiens, we got Carey Price. Of course, that's going up to Lonely Mad, die cut. Not numbered, they've been silver so far. I'm sure we'll see a gold one maybe. Maybe not. 5 packs to go. Guess we'll know soon enough, huh? SPX rookies, Landon Fierro. Look at that. For the Detroit Red Wings, and that goes out to Terrio. He's a Bruin now, doing pretty well for himself. His first few games anyway. Boston picked him up on waivers. And I think he's got 3 goals so far since he's been there. Seems like a pretty good kid. And we've got flashback fabrics, Daniel Alfredson for the Ottawa Senators and Guyad Boys. There you go. Congrats. For Winnipeg Jets and Turbo Plumber, Blake Wheeler. Again, that's a silver one, so maybe we're not going to get a gold one this time. 2 packs to go. Spacer. And Brody Sutter for the Hurricanes, and that going up to Fred 0782. And last pack, good luck. Well, at least there's a thick one in there. Well, not real thick, but kind of thick. Thicker than a base card. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, we got rookie Greg McKegg. It's 230 out of 399. That's going out to Bjorn MCD. So, there you have it, folks. Okay, thanks again for taking part. And perhaps we'll see you on Wednesday. Everybody have a great week. Till I see you again, good night, happy bidding.